I'm Deeksha Shetty. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a JOMSO Saree unboxing. This is from the latest collection and they sent it to me for a review purpose. So without wasting time, let's get started. Let's see how the products are. So the first saree I'm going to unbox is this grey one. So let's see. It's a little heavy. So first let me show you guys how the blouse fabric looks. It comes in this bright red color and जो fabric use किया है वो है Bengali silk. ये थोड़ा बहुत see through है, so you'll have to get a lining attached. Now coming to the detailing here, इन लोगों ने sweetheart neck detailing किया है जो thread work में है, and then this beautiful design, थोड़ा बहुत sequence work भी है. So this is how it is. एंड बैक ऑफ द ब्लाउज के लिए ये वाला डिजाइन दिया है, थोड़ा बहुत डीप है बैक इसका, एंड ये वाला डिजाइन है. एंड फॉर द स्लीव्स दिस सीक्वेंस एंड गोल्डन थ्रेड वर्क. ये जो गोल्डन थ्रेड वर्क है इट्स रियली नाइस, जिसका फिनिशिंग भी इज वेरी नाइस, एंड दे हैव लाइक स्टक राइनस्टोन्स ओवर हियर, golden rhinestones. Now the quality of the glue looks really nice, बाहर नहीं निकल रहा है, so it's nice. And there is around 0.80 meter जो इनका standard blouse size होता है. Now let me show you guys the saree. This is how the saree looks. ये जो fabric है ये विचित्रा silk है and the quality of the saree is very nice. इसके जो bottom में है इन लोगों ने same जो blouse में thread work design दिया है, they have given the same design with sequence work, and the bottom is really nice, heavy bottom with like rhinestones and sequence work. Now the quality of the sequence and the glue is really nice. ये जब मैं pull कर रही हूँ या just rubbing, it's not falling off, which is nice. अभी इसके जो opposite side में आप इसका finishing देखोगे तो it's very nice. And let me show you guys the पल्लू. पल्लू थोड़ा बहुत heavy भी है, तो पूरा का पूरा पल्लू में ये वाला डिजाइन दिया इन लोगों ने थ्रेड वर्क, एंड एक्सट्रीम एंड में ये वाला लेस. Now again the quality of the sequence here is very good and I really like this one because जब आप इसे ब्लाउज के साथ पहनोगे तो I am sure ये बहुत अच्छा दिखने वाला है, because I have never seen any saree in this kind of a combination. So let's see how it looks. But in their website जो color mention किया है it is olive green, but this one is more of like grayish green, I can tell you. I really liked it. इसका finishing भी बहुत अच्छा है and it's a little heavy, so I think it's like a party wear kind of a saree. And I'm sure जब आप इसे wash करोगे कोई भी sequence गिरने वाला नहीं है. Guys, coming to the comparison, जो picture दिखाया है यहाँ पे, I'm going to give a closer picture somewhere here, and what I received is almost the same. It's like 100% same, so I think it's from their original collection, it's not a replica. So I would like to give it a 5 out of 5. The fabric is very smooth and nice. You can easily drape it, and it's like a very grand kind of a saree. And जो price है इसका originally था 3,890 rupees and the discounted price is just 1,990, which I think is a nice deal. Please, if you want to purchase this, I'm going to give the link in my description box, या आप directly www.jomso.com में जाके ये वाला product code type कर दीजिए, आपको दिख जाएगा ये. Sorry guys, the next saree is not from the latest collection. I actually purchased this because one of my viewers wanted me to review the saree for her. Let me show you guys the blouse fabric. ये कुछ creamish net fabric में आने वाला है, and इसका neck बहुत ज़्यादा deep भी नहीं है, and पूरा का पूरा silver sequence work दिया है. If my camera is focusing that, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल स्टिचिंग है इसका, फिनिशिंग इज वेरी नाइस. एंड नीचे इन लोगों ने वुलन थ्रेड में ये वाला थ्रेड वर्क या एम्ब्रॉयडरी वर्क भी बोल सकते हैं वो किया है. very beautifully made guys. I hope my camera is picking it right. It's very beautiful. बहुत soft है ये fabric भी, and the finishing again is very nice. Back of the blouse is just going to be plain net. आप इसमें lining attach कर सकते हो, या you can just keep it plain bare netted back, which is really going to look sexy. Now for the blouse fabric इन लोगों ने ये again net fabric दिया हुआ है, and the same sequence work and this white floral design, sorry cream floral design जो woolen thread में embroidery किया है इन लोगों ने. वेरी ब्यूटिफुल गाइज. इसका जो ऑपोजिट साइड में भी देखोगे आप जो इसका फिनिशिंग इट्स वेरी नाइस. तो यू कैन एक्चुअली कीप लाइक 3/4 स्लीव्स. वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. इसके लिए लाइनिंग अटैच करना पड़ेगा आपको, या दे हैव एक्चुअली गिवन दिस फैब्रिक फॉर द स्कर्ट, तो आप इसमें भी एडजस्ट कर सकते हो इसको. And there is like around 0.80 meter of fabric, which I think is their standard size. एंड जो साड़ी है ये भी क्रीम कलर में आता है, एंड इसका भी जो फैब्रिक है इट्स लाइक सॉफ्ट नेट. जो बॉटम में है इन लोगों ने सीक्वेंस डिजाइन दिया है, एंड ये वाला लेस सीक्वेंस एंड वाइट लेस. बहुत लाइट वेट साड़ी है. इट्स लाइक अ पार्टी वेयर काइंड ऑफ अ साड़ी. पूरा का पूरा सीक्वेंस, इट्स द सेम सीक्वेंस थ्रू आउट गाइज. इसका जो पल्लू है, पल्लू में भी ये लोग ने ऊपर से ये वाला क्या बोलते हैं लेस दिया है, एंड बॉटम में पूरा का पूरा सीक्वेंस वर्क. Now on the opposite side if you see, इसका भी finishing is very nice, and this is like a perfect saree for any parties or college occasions. It is really nice. बहुत ही grand दिखने वाला है, though it is very lightweight, very easily you can drape also, and very nice saree if you like white or cream colored sarees. Now about the comparison guys, जो उन लोगों ने पिक्चर दिखाया है and what I received is almost the same. You know, I would like to rate it 5 out of 5. जो इसका ब्लाउज में जो एम्ब्रॉयडरी वर्क किया है ना, it's really very nice guys. You have to check it. पूरा का पूरा जो गोल्डन सॉरी सिल्वर एंड ये जो व्हाइट का फ्लोरल है, वेरी नाइसली मेड. एंड अबाउट द प्राइस गाइज, द ओरिजिनल प्राइस ऑफ दिस वाज 3,290 rupees and the discounted price is just 1,690, which I think again is a nice price for this beautiful saree. If you want to purchase this, मैं अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इसका लिंक दे दूंगी, या you can directly go to www.jomso.com and type this product code and you will see this product. And guys, if you're new to my channel and if you don't know about JOMSO, let me tell you guys, JOMSO sells all kind of Indian ethnic wear. उन लोग के पास कुर्तीज है, लहंगास है, साड़ीज है, what not. You can go and check it. You just have to type www.jomso.com and you can see their site. Now they do have cash on delivery option as well. So if you are someone who is shopping for the first time, you can always opt for cash on delivery. They do ship worldwide for an extra shipping charge, and a lot of you keep asking me about their return policy. It's super simple guys. Once you receive the product, if you didn't like the quality or you get a defective product, what you will have to do is within 7 days you will have to mail them and they're going to arrange for a return. That's it guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click that bell icon, because whenever I upload a new video you will get a notification. I will see you in my next video guys. Till then, take care. Bye. Shonpari, Chono, Pogi, Pogo, Pogo, I can see you. Pogo, 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 Pogo. Wow, wow, wow. Chalo, let's go. Chalo, let's go. Chalo, let's go, Pogo. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Hola. Chalo, chalo. Open, open, Pogo. Open the door. Let's go out.